Hello everyone, here we are making a bird. First we need to make the body of the bird and then we move ahead to the face and then we are drawing the eyes and the beaks and your bird is ready. Next, by number technique using 7 plus and 2 we are making a rat. Next, we are making a dog face by using some circles and semicircles. As you can see, it is so easy to make. You can make it at your own. Next, we are moving ahead. Here we are making a jellyfish by making the body and the tentacles. We are making the eyes and then detailing the body with some marks on it. You can color it as per your choice. Next, we are moving ahead. Here we are making drawing of a cute bird. First we are making the body and then we are making the upper part and then we are making the face and it's ready. Next we move ahead. Here we are making drawing of a cat. First we are making the face of the cat, move ahead to the body and then we are giving detail to the face like eyes, nose, mouth and the mustache and then we are making the tail. Next, we are making the drawing of an ant. For that, we are making the body structure of the ant and then we are making eyes, legs and mouth. Next, we move ahead. Here we are making drawing of a cute dog sitting. First, we are drawing the body structure of the dog. Moving ahead, we are making the mouth and the eyes and then our dog is ready. Next, we are making a cute female rabbit. For that, first we need to make the face, including the cute bow on the top of her head. And then we are making the cute frog and then we are making hands and legs and it's ready. Next, we move ahead. Here we are making drawing of a cute cartoon. First, we need to make the face of this cartoon followed by the horns of this cartoon. Then we move ahead to the body and we are making the legs and the hands and then we are giving details to the face and our cute cartoon is ready. Next, we are moving ahead. Here we are making drawing of square pants gulping a smoothie. As you can see, first we are making the body of this and then we are making the face. After that, we are drawing the whole glass of smoothie that he is gulping and it's ready. Next, we are moving ahead. Here we have drawn a kitty using some technique. We are making this easily. Next, we are making a cute frog. First, we are making the body of the frog and then we are making the eyes. After that, we are making the hands of this frog and you can see it's ready. Next, we are making a bird. First, we are starting by making the body of the bird and then we are making the face and it's ready.